Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 20, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 20, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, November 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 20, 2024, Wednesday. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, November 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for November 20, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.